guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video I'm going to create this look right here. It's a very quick, very easy look which you can do under 5 minutes, and I only used 5 products, which is one is concealer, one is setting powder, one is blush which I used like a same lipstick for my blush and on my lips, and one is mascara, and to finish this glowing look the last step is highlighter. So if you want to know how I created this pink flushy and very easy, very quick look in 5 minutes, then please keep on watching. So I have prepped my skin. मैंने moisturizer और lip balm वगैरह लगा लिया है. Now I'll move on to the first step. I'm gonna use the concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'll use this to hide the redness and my acne marks. And now I'll use one more concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02, and I'm gonna use it a little bit under my eyes, here and here, thoda sa. Once I'm done blending, I'm gonna set my face with a loose powder, and today I'm gonna use this Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light, and I'm gonna take a little bit and set it. I'm going to keep the loose powder like that for 2-3 minutes, and I'll move on to my eyes. I'm just gonna apply the mascara after curling my lashes. I'm gonna use this mascara from Too Faced. It's their Better Than Sex mascara in mini version. This is such a good mascara. It separates my lashes, gives volume, gives a little bit of length. I really like this mascara so much. Now I'll move on to my blush, and for the blush I'm gonna use this Sugar Soft Crayon Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade 04 Holy Gold Lightly, and I'm gonna use this on my lips and on my cheeks as well. But before moving on to blush, I'll just remove all the loose powder. It's a very nice soft pink color, and it really, makes your cheeks look flushy. A little bit on my nose. See how pretty it looks. Now I'm gonna use the same lipstick, like the same crayon for my lips. Yeah, so it's so looking very flushy pink and cute. Now I'll finish it off with a highlighter, and I'm gonna use this highlighter. This is from K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Frosted Eyes. It has a little bit of pink tone to it. Wait, I'll show you. See, camera में ये pink नहीं लग रहा है, but it has a slight hint of pink tone to it, and I'm gonna use this one and just highlight my high points. My temples, brow bone, tip of my nose, and a little bit on my chin and Cupid's bow. So yeah, that's it. So this is the finished look. You can do this every day, and I only used 5 products, just 5 products. Very quick and very easy. Like, you can do this in 5 minutes. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.